One property to you all know that the charges like charges repel each other, unlike charges, unlike charges attract each other. Charges are of two types, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस. इतनी चीजें तो आपने समझ लिया कि चार्जेस दो टाइप के होते हैं, पॉजिटिव भी होता है और नेगेटिव भी होता है. ठीक है, अभी बात कर लेते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज की. चार्जेस आर एडिटिव इन नेचर, जिसे कहा जाता है एडिटिविटी ऑफ चार्जेस. एडिटिव नेचर का मतलब क्या हुआ? एडिटिविटी ऑफ चार्ज मीन्स पॉइंट चार्जेस आर scalar and can be added algebraically. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो हमारे पॉइंट चार्जेस होते हैं वो सभी कैसे होते हैं? स्केलर क्वांटिटी होते हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्केलर एंड वेक्टर क्वांटिटी? दिस इज योर क्लास 11th concept. Okay, just give me an answer. What do you mean by scalar and vector quantity? See, scalar quantity are those which has magnitude, and the vector quantity are those which has both magnitude as well as direction. Okay, so here the point charges are having scalar quantity. Okay, they have a magnitude only. Okay, so now it is said that when you have a point charge, like suppose here you have q1, this is q2, this is q3, this is q4. What are these? These are the point charges, right? So now what happened? You can add these charges. So these are additive in nature. Very easily you can add these charges. The total charge become what? q1 plus q2 plus q3 plus q4. Now suppose q1 is plus 1 coulomb. Okay, microcoulomb, let us see. q2 is minus 2 microcoulomb. q3 is plus 3 microcoulomb. q4 is plus 2 microcoulomb. Okay, suppose these are the amount of, or you can say magnitude of charges, right? So what will be the total q? Plus 1 mu c plus minus 2 mu c plus 3 mu c plus 2 mu c. So see here, this will become what? 1 mu c minus 2 plus 3 minus, sorry, plus 2. This and this will cut. What will be the total charge? 4 microcoulomb. So 4 microcoulomb will be the total charge. All right. Clear, everyone? Okay. So this is one property of your charges, that they are additive in nature. All right. Now, conservation of charges. This is another point. Conservation of charges. What do you mean by conservation of charges, guys? Total charge in an isolated system is always conserved. Conserved का मतलब क्या होता है? You can neither create nor destroy the charge. आप ना चार्ज बना सकते हो, ना आप चार्ज को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हो. The charges can only be transferred from one place to another place, from one object to another object. Am I clear? Charges को आप खत्म नहीं कर सकते हैं, ना ही नया चार्ज आप पैदा कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? You cannot produce a new charge, you cannot destroy. The charges can only be transferred, right? This is what the meaning tells conservation of charges. So total charge in an isolated system always conserved. During rubbing or natural forces, no new charges is created. Charges are either redistributed means they just distribute, transfer, or neutron breaks up into proton and electron of equal and opposite charges. So simply they just transfer. Okay, this is what we call conservation, which is another property of your charges. The third property of your charge is that the charges are quantized, right? And this is what we call quantization of charge. What is this? Quantization of charges. So the charge is always represented in the form of Q is equal to NE. Basically, जो charge होते हैं ना, they are the integral multiple of charges. What is, suppose this is the total charge Q. It is a integral multiple. N is the multiple. कितने भी हो सकते हैं. Multiple of E. Now what is this E? This E is the charge. It may be electron, it may be negatively charged, it may be positively charged. Okay, so quantization of charge means it is an integral multiple of charges basically. Okay, here N is an integer, E is the charge. Magnitude of E. Now what is the magnitude of E? The value of charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 if this is electron. Okay, suppose your E is what? Electron. Then the value of electron is this much. If E is your proton, positive charge, then this is minus, then it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. All right, SI unit of charge is what? Coulomb. So Coulomb is the SI unit of charges. All right, so this is what we called quantization of charge. This charges cannot be, you can say they are the integral value, integer, they are the whole number. Okay,
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।